Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your playlist name on Spotify. The process is really easy. Let's get started. So first of all, open Spotify on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. As you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of Spotify. Now we'll have to access our playlist. So for that, first of all, tap on the Your Library option at the bottom menu. Then you'll be able to see your playlist. To change the playlist name, you'll first have to open it. So tap on any playlist whose name you want to change. Then you'll see this kind of page on your screen. Now on this page, what you'll have to do is tap on the three dots right above the Edit Playlist option. Or you can directly tap on the Edit Playlist option here. For now, I'll tap on the three dots. Then once you see this page, tap on Edit Playlist. Now on this page, you can see the current name. You can simply tap on it and now you can modify it according to your wish. Once you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the save option at the top right corner so that the changes will be saved. And as you can see on the screen, the name of the playlist has been changed and saved. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.